warn of impending hazards. When there is a threat of or existing severe weather, the test is postponed until the first available good weather day. Reception of this broadcast and the warning alarm will vary at any given location. This variability, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, may occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in perfect working order. The warning alarm will be activated for warnings in selected watches affecting locations in portions of West Kentucky, Southeast Missouri, Southern Illinois, Southwest Indiana, and Northwest Tennessee. This concludes this test of NOAA Radio's warning device. We now return to our regular programming. Receivers are automatically activated to warn of impending hazards. When there is a threat or existing severe weather, the test is postponed until the first available good weather day. Reception of this broadcast and the warning alarm will vary at any given location. This variability, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, may occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in perfect working order. The warning alarm will be activated for warning selected watches affecting portions of West Southeast Missouri, Southern Illinois, Southwest Indiana, and Northwest Tennessee. This concludes the test of NOAA Radio's warning device. We now return to our regular programming. Now for the official National Weather Service forecast for the Southern Illinois. Tonight, mostly clear until midnight.
Weekly test on Saturday?
With a slight chance of showers and
What?
thunderstorms after midnight.
What just freaking happened?
Thunderstorms may produce heavy rainfall.
What just happened?